Thermotek here. Alec, do you want to say a few words about these amazing windows and why they're the absolute best in the industry and Thermotek do it better than anybody?
I can 100% do that, Sven. Thank you. Thank you everyone for coming along today. My name's Alec and I'm from Thermotek Windows. Thanks for the lead-in, Sven, and great to hear the result you guys got on the first blower door test as well at 0.32. So as Sven mentioned, look, there's a lot of focus around that air tightness, especially as one of those key components, and obviously windows are a big part of that, windows and doors. So they tend to be the leakiest point in your house. Sven mentioned before, our quality of windows in Australia are very ordinary, to say the least. And that's obviously what we pride ourselves on as a business, is working in the high performance and PasssivHaus space. So our windows and doors are all designed to be, as close to completely airtight as possible to help support that PasssivHaus movement, which we're seeing, which is great. There's the double seals on all of the units, so look, definitely come and have a chat to us. We'll take you through the operation of the units. We've used the tilt and turn windows, smart slide doors on this particular project, which, look, when we're speccing up a PasssivHaus or a high performance house, they are our go-to products. They're giving us the best results with air tightness and performance. Obviously triple glazing in this particular project as well. So our windows and doors are able to take both double glazing and triple glazing. So that can obviously up the performance quite considerably as well. Look, mentioning, sort of going back to what Sven was saying before, it's all about the whole component of all the build within PasssivHaus. And the way I'll sort of like to explain things to people is, think of your window as a big hole in the wall, like Sven said before. You can treat that hole with as good glass as you want, triple glaze, low E. You can put the best glass that you like into that particular unit, but if your frame is not working as well to the level of the glass, then you've still got a big hole in the wall. So that's one of the big advantages as well of uPVC in our windows, is it's a completely thermally broken product right the way through, so you don't get any transfer of heat through this unit. There are obviously others on the market, but we're wholly and solely uPVC. It's a 5-chamber system as well, so high quality from Germany through aluplast, and yeah, that's sort of where our windows all come from. We manufacture here in Melbourne, in Dandenong, so source locally from our suppliers, and then we basically do all the production from that point on. Look, we're very big as a company as well, and it's great to hear you guys have all combined together really early in the piece. And we also, as a business, like to get in early with the likes of Maxa and B&Co, and actually work together with you guys and the homeowners as well. Because at the end of the day, we're trying to achieve as well what you guys are, which is to build better. We said before, the building code's pretty crap, so let's just keep going above and beyond that, which, it's great to see this, and great results so far, and hopefully the next one's even easier for you guys, and you guys get to enjoy this. And as we said before, let's look at the envelope of the building and how it's performing, rather than the nice bench tops that you're going to look at. If it's 40 degrees inside and you're looking at a bench top, it's not a great bench top, I don't think. So